welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. Today I'm so excited because I'm going to be doing a back to school get ready with me or makeup look for high school and college. Just a daily classic look for school that is perfect for every day, that's perfect for early mornings. And I do want to give a huge shout out to Bubble Skincare for sponsoring this video because we are also going to be doing a back to school skincare routine as a part of my get ready with me today. But yeah, if you want to see how I got to this super quick and easy natural look, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up to let me know how you like it. Also be sure to comment down below, it helps me and my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. It is such a fun time around here and I would absolutely love it if you stuck around. But yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay, so the first step in this tutorial is skincare. Now this is something that could be done before or after school, and every single day I have been using my Bubble skincare products. They are so amazing. First of all, they are so affordable. You can get them at Walmart or online. It is completely vegan and clean skincare that is made for young skin but works for all ages. They have formulations that actually work. I have been loving these products ever since I got them. They're amazing. They fit any type of skincare need for any skin type or person. They are plant-based, perfected by science, and they are just uncomplicated skincare products that make your routine fun and best of all, make your skin feel amazing. They are dermatologist tested, cruelty-free, vegan, and fragrance-free, and just look how fun the packaging is. Every single day that I use these products, whether it's the morning, whether it's the night, it just brightens my day and brightens my skin. So the products that I've been loving, I first go in with my Fresh Start Gel Cleanser. If it's the nighttime and I'm removing makeup, I use the Wipe Out Makeup Remover. The consistency of all of these products is so lightweight and so amazing. You can use this twice a day. It's amazing. Sorry guys, I had to do a little camera switch. Hopefully you guys don't notice too much. The Come Clean Clay Mask is so fun to use and I love to use it at least once a week at night. The Bounce Back Refreshing Toner is amazing. I use it right after the shower. Typically I use my bubble cleanser in the shower and then I finish off with mostly the Slam Dunk Hydrating Moisturizer, but sometimes I'll switch it up or even combine it with the Level Up Balancing Moisturizer depending on my skin needs. Both moisturizers are so amazing, lightweight and effective, and I just love them. So I'm gonna go ahead and cleanse my face, put some toner on and moisturize right before my makeup, and we're gonna get started. Oh my god, it's just so soothing and you can feel just the dirt and the oils disappearing off of your face for real. So after cleansing, just feels so fresh and good. Then I take the Bounce Back Refreshing Toner. I love that all of these products are so user-friendly too. And then I'm just gonna use the hydrating moisturizer today. I love that it comes out like this, perfectly portioned. Before my makeup, I just like to use a hydrating moisturizer. I tend to use a mix of the two at night. This is just so easy, especially for back to school, getting ready in the morning. If you like to shower in the morning, just an amazing routine overall. And I have been searching for a new skincare routine and Bubble has just done their thing. Okay guys, so it is time for the get ready with me. I am so excited. Now this routine, guys, is a lifesaver for high school, college, work, whatever the case may be. It will have you looking and feeling put together in no time. Now I put high school and college pretty much together because this is a really neutral makeup look and I feel like nowadays in high school glam is kind of the norm anyways. So yeah, but this is gonna be a super quick and easy, you can get this done in 15 minutes or less type of look. It just makes you feel lifted, awake, and yeah, we're kind of gonna just be chatting. So this year is the first year that I'm actually not going back to school when I'm filming a back to school video, and it's honestly kind of emotional, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm old. Don't worry guys, I'll still make back to school themed videos for y'all because I know I have younger viewers and it's just fun in general. So let me know what you want to see from me moving forward. Right now I'm just applying Benefit Professional Smoothing Primer. The moisturizer was already like a good enough base, but yeah, I'm kind of feeling like unsure what to do with my content and the content direction as I'm getting older, and I don't know, just YouTube is a lot different now. So let me know what you guys want to see. I wanted to do an advice video, but I feel like I didn't organize it enough and it became a little too late. So I'm just gonna try and give you guys advice while I get ready. So the key product in this look is a skin tint of your choice. I love the Fenty Beauty Ease Drop. It is amazing. It just looks so beautiful, and the best part is you can apply it with your hands. So I just put about that much in my hands and I just go in. And I love this, especially for my schoolgirls, especially when you have those 8 a.m. classes. And I know in high school you don't get to choose, so you definitely have those early classes. This is great to just slap on. I did want to note, like for middle school, if you happen to be watching this and you're in middle school, a really good option is just to use concealer, or high school or college, whatever your comfort level is with your skin. For me, I love wearing just concealer. However, I feel like I have some unevenness, and because I have dark circles, I have to put so much concealer on and I just end up not liking how it looks, you feel me? Like I try and make it look as natural as possible. So I have been looking in my camera viewfinder, totally did not see all this up here. I just love that you could slap it on and rub it in, and the warmth of your fingers really just gives a beautiful finish to this. I also really like the Huda Beauty, the new glowish line. So yeah, comment down below, let me know what grade you're going into. Are you in high school? Are you in college? Let me know your thoughts. Have you started already? I'm pretty sure everyone watching this has started. But yeah, how does it feel? What classes are you taking? What's your major? All of that stuff. As for back to school advice, my biggest tip is to enjoy it. Enjoy it. Don't take everything so serious, even the homework, because trust me, it'll be over. Like I remember all the times that I stressed, and even then still, now working full time, I now finally understand what my parents meant by enjoy school while it lasts, because adulting just really ain't it, you feel me? But we're out here. But please enjoy every single minute of it, make the best of it. I know, for example, in high school it was really hard to ever tell me that, because I didn't have the best high school experience, if y'all have followed me since then, but we don't talk about that anymore. I'm just using concealer now, just to conceal my face, and then I just do the lifted technique. I find that this is the easiest in a rush, just to snatch your eye shape. And then especially with this look, I leave the lids bare because it gives a very natural finish and it just looks fresh and awakening, and I just go ahead and blend this out. But yeah, regardless of how you feel about school, just know that adult life is really hard, and there's gonna be a time where you do look back on the days and remember them and cherish them. So just try and enjoy it as much as possible. Also, let me know what the deal is for your school. Like, are you in person? Are you remote still? How is that situation? I feel like now things are finally going back to normal. Like my senior and junior year, we were locked down. But I know even my school FITM is going back on campus, so that is exciting, and also I assume nerve-wracking because it's just been so long since we've had like human interaction like that. But yeah, I just do this really lightly. As you can see, just brightens up the face, makes everything look put together. I love this sponge. I also just blend out the inner corner with my finger. When I do this look, when I tell y'all I slap it on, I slap it on. And then I like to go in and just set my under eyes only. But yeah, that's my one key takeaway and biggest advice is try not to sweat the small stuff. No, in a year, 5 years, especially when you're graduated for good, you're not gonna remember none of it. I use the Fenty Match Stick just to give some cream contour. Yeah, it's crazy because life just goes fast. That's all I have to say. And homework, if I could go back, I would tell myself to not stress out about that damn work so much. Like, I don't know, just enjoy your young years, because soon you're gonna say, wow, I am old like me, and where has time gone? Also, do the best to set your future up. I know I'm saying like have fun and enjoy all that at the same time. Please have your future in mind. Like, try and think of what you want to do. I know it's so hard to figure out, but if you do figure it out, it makes life 10 times easier. I promise you that. And yeah, don't be shy to make friends. I know things get so cliquey, especially in high school. It's crazy because life is short. And yeah, don't sweat it. Like, your haters, you're gonna forget about them. Who even are they? Like, everyone goes and has their own life. After high school, especially, even college, like, it's sad to say, but like, once you graduate, you keep in touch with people, some more than others, you know, but life moves on, you know, so just enjoy and cherish the times and the memories. So I just like to do a little little bit of a baked tour, not too much because I don't like this to look too cakey or full glam at all. My other biggest tip, I have yet to experiment with like a cream blush that I'm obsessed with, so let me know if you have recommendations. But I love using, for example, this Il Makiage Mineral Baked Bronzer. It's a highlight, blush, and bronzer in one. So I go ahead and swirl this on the cheeks. I don't like to go too heavy with like the highlight, so I love that this has highlighter in it because it just adds that flush and glow to the cheeks. Also love it down the nose. Woo! Yes. Do you see the difference? Like bland life. But yeah, try and look out for your future self as much as you possibly can. Don't ruin your mental health focusing on homework. I know grades are important. I know all that is important, but literally I stressed myself so much over my classes back in the day, and now I'm like, I don't remember anything from them. They were so pointless. Especially for me, my grades didn't really matter for what I wanted to do with my life. So, you know, just try and keep that all into account and do the best things for you. So for brows, you can do them however you like, but for me, for this look especially, I literally just go in really lightly, fill in any sparseness. Y'all, I've never really gotten into the brow lamination. Maybe I should. And also this bun is like a classic hairstyle. I have to restyle it right now for the end of this video, but this was like a go-to for college especially, and even to now, like every day at work I throw my hair up in this little bun. It just makes me feel a little bit more put together. But as you could see, just the difference between adding gel and fluffing those brows up, just spraying the face a little bit more, wiping this off, like just see how complete the face is. Now you could even go like this if you want. You know, we have that eye definition. But finishing off the look, I'm curling my lashes. Also, another tip is don't worry about what damn people think. That is something that I wish I could go and tell myself. I kind of want to do a video of like things that I would tell my 15-year-old self. But literally, who cares? Like that goes along with like everything that I've been saying, the theme of everything that I've been saying. I feel like school is so hard because there's so much pressure in so many different aspects, socially, mentally, academically, but really focus on you feel me? I love this. Just lifted lashes. One tip that I love is getting lash lifts instead of lash extensions. This Laura Mercier mascara I've been loving. Fun fact, I used to work retail for them in college. But when I do this look, I do like the lightest tap of concealer because I mean mascara, because I have really thin lashes and they'll get weighed down really easily. And then a light coat of bottom mascara just opens up the eye. The only place that I put highlight on is in my inner corner, just a little bit. I don't go too crazy. I have other videos that I would do in high school if you want to see. I would do, instead of blush and bronzer like this, I feel like this is a trend right now, I would just do highlight only and it would give the effect of blush and bronzer. I just can't picture myself doing that anymore now because I guess like it's just not as big of a trend. But yes, so then for my lips, I like to keep them really natural looking. I just ever so slightly fill them in because for me personally, when I do no makeup looks, I feel like the lips can kind of bring it to the next level sometimes. Like even this, I don't really like how dramatic it is. It's completely up to you. I feel like with my lip shape and size, I just like to keep it more neutral. So either keep it like this or I like to add a lip gloss. My go-to for looks like this is always the Fenty Gloss Bomb. Yes, perfect. This is the look on its own. This is probably what I would recommend more for high school, and if you have natural lashes, that is amazing. But let me show you guys right now the next step. So for me, I love just a light pair of lashes to amp up the look. I'll show you guys on one eye. As you can see, it just elevates the look so much. So you choose what side you like better. That's why I say this one for high school and this one for college. Obviously it looks a little crazy because I didn't actually apply the lash. For me, honestly, I like it a little bit bare. That's just me lately. Just showing you guys the options if you want to amp it up. Also, if I feel like elevating the look, what I do is I put concealer on the lid. it because then it just makes it look like super full glam. But we barely have any makeup on. It looks super fresh. You don't really have to worry about touching it up all day or what it will look like. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face and fix my hair. I love putting 2 pieces in the front just to frame my face. Y'all, I love the Huda Beauty Glow Cocoa Hydrating Mist so much. I do not recommend it if you have oily skin, because even for me, sometimes it's way too much. What I like to do is spray it in the air and then push it onto my face, just so it gives like the hydrated dewy look, but not like wet and oily. You feel me? Like, I don't know if you could tell the difference. It just kind of like freshened it up. So yeah, and then again at the end of the day, I would take my wipe out makeup remover, put this all over my face, and just watch it vanish. So yeah, that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this fresh back to school makeup look. Thank you to Bubble for sponsoring this video. I will have a link down below for you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing school year. Keep me updated, DM me anytime. Let anyone that tries you know that I got you. I love you all so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.